Kiss magnetic lashes on someone that prefers to go natural. Will these drugstore lashes get the thumbs up? Hello beautiful people, this is Ann, Fabulous Life 101. Hey, if you're not already a subscriber, could you please hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications right now? Thanks so much. Today, I'm going to try Kiss Magnetic Lashes and Liner. I've never really enjoyed wearing false lashes. I've worn them a few times for special events or photo shoots, but whenever I wear them, I find that when I take them off, clumps of my natural lashes come out with them. So I tend to prefer just to use my natural lashes with lengthening mascara. But today I'm going to try this brand that is actually a drugstore brand. They have it at Ulta and Target and CVS, lots of places like that. Kiss Magnetic Lashes. Wondering if the magnets may make them a little bit gentler on your regular lashes. This actually comes with an eyeliner and the magnetic force is in the liner. A little backstory though. Before trying these, I actually tried these. This was some magnetic lashes for a few years back that I ordered online. They came from China. It took about 6 weeks to get them. And what these are is that they're two parts that have the lashes, and what you're supposed to do with this is you put right in here and no, not working. Okay, so I played with them a lot when I first got them, could not get them to work whatsoever. So I thought maybe these might be different. This is the first set I bought. It actually comes with the liner and the lashes. Now, unfortunately, what happened when I first removed this from the box, one of the little magnets came out. It was the magnet on the far end, and since it doesn't have that many magnets to begin with, one of them missing, not good. So I wound up buying a second set that's just lashes only. So I'm going to be using the set for the first time with this liner. I'm going to be very, very careful when taking these off. But first I'm going to read the instructions. Line with Kiss Magnetic Eyeliner along the lash line and wait until formula is dry. And then you apply the lash right onto the liner. Okay, and then to remove, it just says wet a cotton swab with an oil-based makeup remover. Okay, here goes. Start with this liner. I'm going to get my little close-up mirror to make it easy. Go all the way to the center. And then all the way to the outer corner. This side, start at the outer corner. And I'm going to let it dry for about a minute. Okay, I think it's had time to dry. So now I'm taking these lashes. It's called Tantalize Kiss Faux Mink. And I'm going to try to gently see if I can remove it from this without losing any of the magnets. Okay. And see how this goes along my lash here. Get my hair out of the way. Well, it went on easy enough. Yeah, it seems to be sticking. Let's try the other one. Without damaging it, yes. And let it sort of fall into place here. Okay. Seems to be working. It's not really uncomfortable. I definitely feel like I've got something on my eyelid, I guess because I'm not used to wearing the lashes, but it's not uncomfortable at all. Probably if I were wearing these out, I would definitely put a little more mascara on the lower lashes to sort of balance it off. But overall, it's not bad. It's not uncomfortable. I'll let you know later exactly how easily it comes off. Okay, now after going out in the wind with the lashes on, they held up fine, stayed in position. I just took the lashes off. Now I'm using this Clinique eye makeup solvent and seeing how the liner comes off. Putting it on a washcloth and it seems to be coming off pretty well. Yeah, this is a very gentle makeup remover that does not irritate my eyes, so okay, it all came off. So the Kiss magnetic lashes get the thumbs up. I will definitely be wearing them again, not every day, but during a special occasion, yeah, I will. Hey, do you have a product or a brand that you'd like for me to try? If so, please leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Always looking for new ideas. Also, if you like this video, could you please give us a thumbs up? Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.